Time check, guys, 12:30. Can you hear the rain? I love sleeping in the rain. It's gonna rain all night long. That will help me sleep. You heard that? Hey guys, what's up? What's up, people? What's up, YouTube? Alright, so this is part 2, continuation of my video last night. So we didn't make it to TA. I know I told you guys that we're supposed to go there, Duncan, South Carolina, for our 10 hours break last night, but I didn't make it there. I got stuck in heavy traffic that causing a delay. So I finished driving around 8:30, and we are here in Circle K, also in South Carolina, 30 miles away to the TA Duncan in TA Spartanburg. So I'm gonna move my truck right now because I needed to take a shower there. I wasn't able to take a shower yesterday because I didn't have a shower here. Well, last night the shower is closed, but today I went inside and asked them if they have a shower, and they say yeah, they have shower available now here at Circle K, but I don't have points here. I mean, I could not use my points for the pilot card or Flying J. So yeah, so I'm gonna move there. I just finished my pre-trip inspection, and now we can move there so we can have a nicer outlook there. We don't have so much thing to do here. It's kind of boring. We're like in the middle of you know, like somewhere TA. There's places there to like go for breakfast, or there's so much more to do there than here. So we'll check that out. So we don't have to deliver, guys, until around 11 p.m. tonight. That is why well, it's a good thing too that we get here early, because I mean, although we don't have to deliver until 11 p.m. tonight, at least I'm here, you know. I don't have to worry about, you know, like rushing, because, you know, we have plenty of time. It was raining last night, like really strong rain, heavy rain. I got a hard time sleeping last night. I probably fall asleep last night, this morning around 2 in the morning, and I'm just enjoying the rain. You know, I love sleeping in the rain, and yeah, I fall asleep late last night. Well, not last night, this morning, because it was like around 2:30. So I'm gonna give you guys a view right here outside, so show you guys. Yeah, I didn't have a choice but to park here last night. Well, still, I'm thankful that there's this Circle K. They're able to let me park here.
Something that can't be there, so I could be alone, so I could be alone. I carry my mother's name. Said the heart's a game that we don't play, so I'll be alone.
There we go, fellas. We are now in Duncan. This is way better than there, because there's nothing much to do there, but at least here
turn left on South Carolina 290.
there's places to eat around. There's McDonald's, there's Wendy's, bunch of things you can do here and go to. I remember this area here because when I used to work for Swift Transportation, we have a company here in Greer, a few miles away from here, our company. McDonald's here we can go to. This is not an exit. Well, still friendly. He apologized. So yeah, because that there, that's the entrance. That's not an exit. The exit is right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna get 60 gallons here just to so we can have a free shower. It's fuel. Okay, now let's park, baby. Well, this truck stop though, it's not a I would say I don't like it because most of the spots here are reserved parking, so you gotta pay. You gotta pay. That's why I didn't take a chance to come here all the way last night, because I knew I'm gonna have a hard time finding a spot. And I don't want to pay for the parking though. I never pay for the parking. Well, I did last time. Like I can only count like that I pay for the parking. Normally I wouldn't pay for the parking. Alright guys, we're settled down. You see that McDonald's there? I want to walk there and I'm gonna get a coffee, guys, because I don't like the coffee out of TA. So I'm gonna get something there to eat. Probably I'm gonna go for a chicken sandwich. So I want you guys to join me there. Let's go take a walk. It's kind of cold outside, so it's only 56 degrees here, but it's kind of cold because it's windy. Got my mask here. Alright, fellas, let's go. Hopefully they will let us in there, because some McDonald's, when the pandemic started, they won't let you in. We'll check, we'll see. Well, if you gotta do your 34-hour start here, there's hotels, there's Quality Inn, Days Inn, walking distance from the truck stop. You can stay at a hotel if you want it. Bus and RV, you can park here. No tractor though. You cannot park your truck here. Okay. Hopefully we can go in, because I love the coffee here at McDonald's. Oh yeah, you can. That's cool, we can go in. We can just do it here. Okay, I just want to get the Toast Americano. Large. Customized ingredients. Then I want to add another one here. Large cream. Alright, now we can pay. Alright, fellas. I just got a deluxe crispy chicken sandwich. Yeah. Shit. Oh my god. No, I'm in a mess. Made a mess. So after we eat, we're gonna take a shower, guys. There's a trucks next to me. It's kind of loud, the region. Alright guys, we're gonna end this vlog from here. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day and see you tomorrow.